Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. To do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, tap here, go to the history section, then select clear browsing data. So you can make a basic browsing data, you can clear your browsing data in basic way or in advanced way. So let's do it in advanced way. Here you have to select the time range. Firstly, it could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you can select which data formats you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill data form, site settings, and then just tap clear data. And as you can see, history is clear now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.